The Frigidaire washer's E3 code indicates a door lock issue, with the most common cause being a faulty door lock and switch assembly. To fix this, you can start by replacing the door lock and switch assembly. Begin by unplugging the washer and opening the door completely. Then remove the clamps surrounding the bellows and peel them away to access the door lock. Next, unthread the screw securing the switch assembly. Remove it, and disconnect the wire harnesses. After reconnecting the wire harnesses to the new switch assembly, align it to its space on the door and secure it using screws. Reattach the bellows and secure it with a clamp. Then plug in the washer and check if the E3 code persists. If the issue remains, you may need to check the control board. To do this, unplug the washer, remove the main top, and take out the detergent drawer. Remove the control panel's screws and inspect the control board's condition. If it's damaged, replacement is necessary. After checking or replacing the control board, reattach the control panel and secure it with screws. Put back the detergent drawer in the main top, and plug in the washer to see if the E3 code is resolved.